Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can equip or unequip charms in Fish It Roblox. So if you finally find a clover charm or maybe a lava charms but can't figure out on how you can actually use it, here I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on the charms menu, how to swap them for different biomes, and how you can stack the charms effect. So what you need to do here to equip, you can just buy the charms first. So in the Kohana volcano, there is this magma charm or lava charms that you can buy for 20k coins. You can just buy it first and it will be automatically added to your inventory. And if you want to stack them, you can just buy it again and the amount will be added. And to equip, you can just click on your items, your inventory, and click on the charms, click on the magma charms, and as you guys can see, it will automatically equip like this. Now you can just start fishing. And if you want to unequip or you want to maybe switch between the charms, you can just go to items again, charms, and to unequip, you can just here click on the unequip charms and it will be deactivated. And if you have more than one charms and you want to switch, you can just unequip it first and then choose the new charm that you want to use. And so guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.